Hi everybody, welcome back to Pretty Healthy with Preeta. In one of my previous videos, I had shared a juice to combat anxiety and stress, and I got a lot of encouraging responses for that and lots of comments. In the comments, quite a lot of people had asked, can you share a recipe for insomnia? Insomnia is having difficulty with falling asleep in the night. So people said that, I'm not able to sleep really well. I'm finding it very difficult. If there is a juice for that, it will be really awesome. So keeping that in mind, we have a juice today to combat insomnia. So let's look at what basic ingredients we require. The main ingredient is onion. So it's not onion, it's the onion peel. Onion peel has got sedative components. So this is something that we'll be using. The other ingredient is, of course, water. So what I have here is so whenever you're using onion in your cooking, what you do is save the peel, save the skin, don't throw away the skin. The edges can be thrown away, but what I usually do is I take the skin and I save it. So you can save it like this. Here you can see that in the morning I made some masala dosa and some sambar, so I used onion. So I have onion peel here, which I have saved from the morning. So I put it into an airtight container and I'm going to be using it for this drink. So like this, you can use the onion for your dishes but save the onion peel. The onion of this pink onion, the Indian onion or a Spanish onion, is what has the sedative element. The white onion does not have the sedative element, so don't use that. I'm going to take around 200 ml of water, okay, and I'm going to heat it for around 2 minutes. Now this, you can use the gas stove also and heat the water. I'm just going to put it into the microwave for around 2 minutes, so that's the right temperature. So while this is getting heated up, let me go and complete peeling the onions. So the onion doesn't know how experienced I am, so I still get tears. But sometimes what I do is I close my nose like this, not like that, but stop breathing for some time, and then it becomes slightly better. But I don't know if that is a myth or it's the truth. Now these onion peel here, you can notice that this peel has got some black color powder in it. Now some onion have it, discard that. Do not use it for this drink, okay? So I'm going to use, so if it is very mild like this, you can just knock off the black color with a piece of cloth or with your hand itself. But if it is like really a lot of that black powder, just discard it, don't use it like that. Do not use the edges of the onion, that is not required. Discard this also. 2 minutes up, so I'm going to take this water. So what I'm going to do is for 1 cup, okay, of 200 ml of water, I'm going to add the onion peel of 2 onions. More than that is really not necessary, right? So these are 2 onions and I'm going to add some water to this and cover it. Now you will need to cover this for at least 15 minutes, and every now and then, after 2-3 minutes, what you can do is you can go and stir it like this. You will find that the color of the water is changing. So let's allow this to cool. Let's allow the onion skin to kind of, release its essence into the water. So let's take a break now. So 15 minutes is up. You can see that the color of the water has changed. So quercetin, which is present in the onion peel, acts as a sedative. Kindly have this 30 minutes before you go to sleep. Don't have it at any other point in time. This will make you go to sleep really nicely, but you need to continue doing this for quite some time. So any of these recipes that I'm showing you, you will be able to see the complete benefit of this only when you allow it you need to allow the body to get used to these juices for best results. So you see that I have filtered this water here. Now, onion is a pungent vegetable, and it's a little spicy. So if you do not like the smell of it too much, or you find it too too harsh for your taste buds, take half a teaspoon of honey, add it to this drink, and you can have this drink. Alright, so based on your feedback, we are curating all these videos. So please do share your comments about the other videos as well. If something has really worked for you, if you're able to reap the benefit of that, and if you're able to see any results, please do share your results in the comments column. If you found this particular video useful, please do go and click on the like button. Do share it with your relatives, friends, and everybody else who really needs this. If you've not subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell button for more updates, and please do share your valuable comments. This is Preeta signing off in Pretty Healthy with Preeta. I'll see you once again. Bye.